here's your 582 big block Chevrolet. Just got done Dyno it. Everything went good. Give your description of this combination. It's got our set of our cylinder heads on it. It's EFI. Obviously that's by Holley Terminator X. Really great system. It's got a set of Jesel rocker arms on it. Custom ground cam. It's got your front end on it. Joe's Racing. Really nice setup. Make sure the alternator output for you, everything's good there. Kick in, try it ran. Alrighty, down to 30, 600, 612 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque about 659, and peak horsepower 738. We rate this at 700. You wanted some more camshaft in it, so we did that. It really responded very well to that with the new head and everything. So get her off there and get in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.